A vehicle's powertrain is an engineering marvel, with the transmission playing a crucial role in transferring power from the engine to the wheels. Let's explore the fascinating world of automotive transmissions and understand how they function. At its core, a transmission's job is to optimize your vehicle's engine power output. It allows for efficient acceleration, smooth cruising, and helps reduce engine wear. When you're stopped at a red light, the transmission disengages the engine from the wheels, allowing the engine to idle peacefully. There are several types of transmissions commonly found in vehicles today. Each has its own set of advantages and challenges. Let's break them down. Also known as a stick shift, this type requires the driver to manually change gears using a clutch pedal and gear lever. The working principle of a manual transmission uses a set of gears on input and output shafts. A flywheel, pressure plate, and clutch engage and disengage the engine from the transmission. The driver must coordinate clutch engagement with gear selection. Advantages of manual transmissions include excellent performance in high-torque situations and off-road driving, generally being more durable and easier to maintain, and offering a more engaging driving experience. Disadvantages include a steeper learning curve, potential fatigue in stop-and-go traffic, and a limited pool of drivers which may affect resale value. Think of this as a manual transmission's smarter cousin. It eliminates the clutch pedal while retaining manual gear selection. iMT works similarly to a regular manual, but with an automated clutch mechanism. Drivers shift gears without operating a clutch pedal. Advantages of iMT include providing control over gear selection without clutch fatigue, being more affordable than fully automatic options, and combining manual transmission benefits with increased convenience. Disadvantages include gear changes that may not be as smooth as other automated systems and still requiring manual gear selection, which some drivers may find cumbersome. This transmission type automates the clutch and gear shifting process of a manual transmission. In AMT, sensors and actuators handle clutch operation and gear changes. The transmission's electronic control unit, ECU, manages shift patterns based on preset parameters. Advantages of AMT include being more convenient than a fully manual transmission, generally more fuel efficient than traditional automatics, and having lower production costs compared to other automatic options. Disadvantages include shift quality that can be less refined than other automatic transmissions, and the possibility of unexpected gear changes during certain driving conditions. The most common type in many markets, automatic transmissions handle all gear changes without driver input. An automatic transmission uses a torque converter to connect the engine to the transmission. A planetary gear set and hydraulic system manage gear ratios. The car's computer controls shift timing based on various factors. Advantages of automatic transmissions include being very easy to use, especially for new drivers, smooth operation in most driving conditions, and allowing the driver to focus more on the road. Disadvantages include generally being less fuel efficient than manual transmissions, potentially complex and expensive repairs, and some drivers feeling a loss of control compared to manual options. A unique design that offers seamless acceleration without distinct gear changes. CVT uses a belt or chain running between two pulleys. Pulley diameters adjust to create an infinite number of gear ratios. Advantages of CVT include extremely smooth acceleration, often providing better fuel economy, and keeping the engine in its optimal power range. Disadvantages include feeling different from traditional transmissions, which some drivers may dislike, potentially producing a rubber band effect during hard acceleration, and not being ideal for high-torque applications. A high-performance option that offers lightning-fast gear changes. DCT uses two separate clutches for odd and even gears. One clutch engages the next gear while the other is still in use. Advantages of DCT include extremely fast gear changes, potentially better fuel efficiency than traditional automatics, and providing a sporty feel with the convenience of an automatic. Disadvantages include potentially high production and repair costs, possibly less smooth operation than a traditional automatic in stop-and-go traffic, and being a complex system that may require more frequent maintenance. The world of automotive transmissions is diverse and ever-evolving. From the engaging experience of a manual to the cutting-edge technology of a dual-clutch system, each transmission type offers unique benefits suited to different driving styles and vehicle applications. Let's recap the transmission types we've discussed and look at some popular vehicles that utilize each. Manual transmission, still favored by driving enthusiasts in sports cars like the Mazda MX-5 Miata and Honda Civic Type R. Intelligent manual transmission, or IMT, gaining popularity in markets like India, found in vehicles such as the Hyundai Venue. Automated manual transmission, or AMT, often used in budget-friendly cars like the Maruti Suzuki Celerio. Automatic transmission, the most common type in many markets, found in a wide range of vehicles from the Toyota Camry to the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Continuously variable transmission, or CVT, popular in many Japanese and hybrid vehicles like the Honda Civic and Toyota Prius. Dual-clutch transmission, or DCT, often found in high-performance vehicles like the Porsche 911 and Volkswagen Golf GTI. As automotive technology advances, we're likely to see even more innovative transmission designs. The rise of electric vehicles is also changing the landscape, with many EVs using single-speed transmissions due to the high torque and wide power band of electric motors. The future of transmissions is closely tied to broader trends in the automotive industry, including autonomous vehicles, hybrid powertrains, and increasing focus on fuel efficiency. Each type of transmission offers different advantages in terms of performance, efficiency, and driving experience.